But I got married to you also before I finish this one and enter your own field. I've been taking pepper soup in my life. This tastes differently anyway.
I want to make pepper soup available to everyone in varieties, not just one.
Some places just don't serve food. They become our everyday routine. Places where conversations last longer than the meal.
Presently, I have 19 varieties of pepper soup.
19?
Yes, sir.
She said she has a 19 different recipe, right?
The first time I made pepper soup was in school. You have to be hardworking to go into business, especially this kind of business, food business. You have to be hardworking.
Please come with me while we see what makes this place different. Come along. Hi. I greet you once again. So, what are you having? I should start reading it for you.
Mini bowl kan.
On est faire un bowl kan. Non, tu sais que mon nom j'ai fait un bowl, bien fait un bowl. Et vous n'y kamou anu méjèèjì. Ṣé lè wà okay abele? Okay. Can we meet your name, please?
My name is Olawoye Deborah.
Okay. Thank you for having us.
You're welcome, sir.
This place is called Peppersoup Villa.
Yes, sir. The Peppersoup Villa.
The Peppersoup Villa. Why the name?
So around 2021, I was in school, and I just wanted to do something different. Yeah. Jollof rice is everywhere, small chops. Yeah. But pepper soup is something that, if you don't go to restaurants, sell it, but it's not in varieties. Maybe just catfish and goat meat pepper soup. Okay. If you want, you have to go to maybe a beer parlor or a lounge to have pepper soup. And I just want to make it more available to people that are not willing to go to
such places. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
So that was how I started. I want to make pepper soup available to everyone in varieties, not just one. Okay. Not just the regular catfish, goat meat pepper soup. Yeah. Yes. Presently, I have 19 varieties of pepper soup. 19? Yes, sir. 19
and we can't try all today. Maybe we'll try it for 19 weeks. One week after the other. 5 years, 2020, that's about 5 years ago.
Yes.
So you were doing soup in school too?
Yes, I started in school.
Okay.
My 400 level, 400, 500 level, yes. I got registered in my finals 2022, November. Cover it. Okay.
It's covered.
Okay.
So you said something about you have 19 varieties. Did you actually learn it from someone or you just picked it? Because 19 varieties is not small. It's not more. It's not
just
small
me
deal.
trying to be innovative about it.
Okay.
I don't know if Indomie pepper soup exists before. I honestly do not know, but I tried to make it, and the person that tried it first liked it, so I started. Okay. Then sometimes I also search for pepper soup also, if they had existed before, how it is, how it looks like, before finally introducing it to the menu. So that's why.
So what makes your pepper soup? What makes it stand out from every other, aside your innovation? We talk about maybe spice or something. What makes it the taste different from every other taste?
So personally, the first time I made pepper soup was in school.
Okay.
That year I came to Dubai. I don't know Ibadan very much, but I went to Dubai. There's a side around Dubai that Igbo people are plenty around.
Okay.
So I bought goat meat inside same Dubai. I'm not familiar with markets around here, so I went there, and I bought meat and I went to one Igbo woman. I still have her contact. Sometimes when I go to bank, I just say hello to her. So I bought peppersoup spice from her. When I made it that day, it was fine, but I don't like the color it was giving. It was dark, kind of.
Okay.
And I don't like the fact that I don't know what I was giving to people. I don't know the content of what I was giving to people. So I started making my research about spice, herbs and spice for pepper soup.
Okay.
So at the long run, I came up with over 20 spices.
Over 20 spices.
Yes. So I combine them differently, but I use as much as that.
Okay.
For
I get.
pepper soup spice.
I get. So in every business, we have challenges and all that. What's your biggest challenge in this business right now? That if you have a one stick, you can just you just change. This is my challenge. Yeah. Space. I can see.
About over 10. I lost count. Yesterday, a group of people came. They are coming in groups, and I don't have the capacity to have them here.
Oh.
So this is one thing I wish I can change right now.
Okay. We've talked about challenges, and you said one of your challenges or your major challenge is space.
Yes.
Aside the challenge of having a bigger space, what's your vision for the future about the business?
Yes, I'm looking forward to getting a bigger space.
Okay.
Looking forward to getting a bigger space, but there are unavailability of spaces right now.
Okay. And so lastly, what's your advice for young people that want to become entrepreneurs like you?
You have to be hardworking.
Okay.
To go into business, especially this kind of business, food business. You have to be hardworking. And they say consistency. Yes, consistency is key. And have it at the back of your mind that it's not just consistency that helps business grow.
Exactly.
You have to have money. Because I suffered for how long? you have to have money to run a business. Yeah. Consistency is there. Yeah. But yes, let's not neglect the aspect of fun.
Finance, yeah.
Finance, yes. Okay. You have to have money to push it.
Definitely.
There has to be fun to help. Yes. So consistency, fun, and being hardworking. Okay. And prayer.
All right. Thank you very much.
That's the first. Prayer.
Yeah. I get you.
So with that.
Once again, thank you for having us. If you don't mind, you can do a shout out. This is the Villa Pepper Soup, right? What's your number?
090-2742-6805.
As you can see, this is the brain behind the Peppersoup Villa. Please patronize her. Hey, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
So I'll sit down and check your menu and see what I can order.
All right, sir.
Yeah. Catfish, goat meat, beef, bush meat, turkey, chicken, cow leg, cow tail, seafood, croaker fish, dried catfish, assorted, geese dodo, asun. They have rabbit too. They have rabbit. Show you eat rabbit. They have rabbit. Peppered pomo and all that. Oh, okay. So I'm trying to ask him what he wants.
Pasta.
Okay. What's this? Oh, okay. Is it Owerri fish? Okay. So I'm asking him what he wants. Let me check what I want as well. So which one do you say you want? You come and check it yourself. Okay. Yeah, I think I'll have. I've taken that beef pepper soup. No. Maybe I should have. I don't want turkey. I don't want chicken. Probably just take catfish. What about you? Catfish. So I want catfish. So you take catfish or goat meat? Catfish, right? Okay, let me tell her I want catfish and do catfish. Then do you want to eat any food with it? I don't want any food, just the catfish. Huh? Do you want anything else with it? Just the catfish, right? There's not this echo. Okay, I think I'll take echo. Take echo. They have potato, boiled yam. No. I'll take the cup. Let me tell her. Yes, ma'am. So 2 standard catfish, and he doesn't want anything with it, but I want a cup. Is this for Emu? You sell Emu too? Okay. I give up. I just remove. Wow.
Batang idea. I must put this on here, so I must scatter everything. But I must scatter this thing.
Thank you. Get that? No, I've been really what? Hold that. You're frozen.
Well, I'm just going to say things now. Anton, right? Let's go again. Oh yeah. You know I take your jug out of this place.
It's not the normal spoon, no. Very spicy, correct. I want to say it goes with a cup. I need to ask her what's she said she has a 19 different recipe, right? I don't know what recipe this is. Maybe it's I don't know. 19 recipes, a lot of recipe. I'm actually feeling the water. That's the soup. You're not rating it well. I've been taking pepper soup in my life. This this tastes differently anyway. So if I'm going to do rating, you can't give 10 over 10. Even in exam, they can't give you 10 over 10. Okay. So I'll still give you the 8. Makes sense. I don't know why I don't want the call, and it's nice. Water too, please.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Oh. Okay. Are you? Yeah, I think so. Did you call my brother?
What you have like 19 different recipes. So what recipe is this?
No, it's peppersoup that is melted.
If you go move them out,
Okay.
The recipe is
because the project.
So what gave you the idea of this point?
Go this year and down.
that was something local now.
Nice though. Nice.
Like flour. Okay.
Honestly, it's nice. As you can see, this is the brain behind the Peppersoup Villa. Please patronize her. Hey, thank you.
Thank you, sir.